There you are, getting ready to purchase your stock, and then you see this thing called price types, and it has so many options, you don't know what it means. So in this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to break down exactly what each one of them mean and how to use them. But first,
hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button.
once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dice, coming to you guys and girls live, all the way from the beautiful state of Denver, with a beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button, and hit that bell icon to get notifications as they drop. But as always, I don't have a lot of time. I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so let's jump straight into it. Price types and what are they? So here you are. You get ready. This is your ticket. You're getting ready to purchase. For example, we have Google up here, and you're getting ready to buy. It asks you your quantity. You put in your quantity. Then you have price types. What do they mean? So here we go. So the first one, market. Market means what? Market means get me in at the best possible price right now. Right? When the market is open, get me in at the best price on the market. Market at close. Get me at the best price when the market closes. Simple, right? Limit. Buy this particular stock for this price. I want Google. Right now, Google is $1,190. Get me in at $1,195 at this particular price. So you're telling me get me in at this particular price, right? Stop on quote. Stop on quote means when the stock hits this price, for prime example, when Google hits $1,000, turn my order into a market order. So if Google hits $1,000, turn my order into the best price possible. Get me in at the best price. Stop on limit. If when uh when what you call it hits this price, so when Google hits $1,000, get me in at this particular price. So for prime example, when Google hits $1,000, you can put it here. The stop price is $1,000, right? When it hits $1,000, turn get me in at $850, right? So pretty much when Google hits this stock hits this particular price, get me in at this particular price. That's what stop limit on quote is. Next one, trailing stop. Let's say if you pretty much have sold the stock or whatnot, and you're saying, hey, uh, if this as long as the stock is going up, keep it. But if it falls back $5, sell it. Right? As long as the stock is going up, if it drops $5, sell it. Turn it into a market order. Percentage, stop trail percentage. This is saying that, hey, as long as the stock is going up, keep it going. But if it drops 5%, sell it. And these are your different price types. And this is pretty much they're doing it. I'm doing it with E-Trade, but it goes with every platform. But also, these are your different price types. And go up here by the question mark, go actions to the question mark, and it will tell you. Oh, sorry. Go to actions, not actions, go to price types by the question mark, click on it, and it will break down all of this word for word, what you want to do. You can hit the learn more button if that's not good enough. But anyway, I hope that helps you guys and girls out. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, and until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe, peace, be safe.